Rusty Glove Box, what we're going to do, we're going to continue working on the power hammer. We're coming along pretty good, pretty happy with the progress. Let's take a look and see what we've done so far. Well, I've got my treadle that applies the pressure on the belt tensioner. I used 2 screen door springs to raise the pedal. That's a 60-inch belt, a 5L60. We got everything welded in place. Something I'm going to need to change a little bit is this link right in here. I'm either going to have to weld something in place or something. At the top of this top link and the shackle, I put in this bridge piece right here, and what that did, that keeps the part of this shackle, it doesn't flex anymore at this bolt. It all acts as just a fork unit. And probably what I'll do is I'll adjust this up, put a grease fitting in the other end of that bolt, and I'll probably just tack this nut so it doesn't back out. This is how I did my clutch mechanism. I did like a foot treadle, and it's basically like a lawnmower where it has that idler rubbing up against the belt. Well, what I've done in addition to probably part of the earlier video is went and bought some 4x4 pressure treated material and made like a skid for it. That'll kind of help distribute the weight a little better, I feel like. It probably will still want to hop around a little bit, but I feel like this will help some. Well, it can be kind of a wild ride, but anyway, it works pretty good. It flattens the stick out, so if it'll flatten that stick out, it'll flatten out a hot piece of metal. Well, anyway, I'm pretty happy of the progress on the power hammer. It seems like it's going to work out pretty good. Next time you see it is I'm going to have it all painted up and pretty and everything, and we'll probably make us a knife or something out of a railroad spike. So anyway, this is Rusty Glove Box. I appreciate y'all watching, and I'm out of here.